here, bit of impact on it. We're just getting there. The insurance company obviously sent somebody and cleaned it up. And I started laying the bricks there, and we have to go and get a few thermite blocks and cut these out and bond them back in. Because the bricks are there, but there's no blocks. I feel like I'm in a blinking jungle here. So that's the impact. I don't know who's cut the toothings out because they've already done when we're getting there. And we've just got instructions to start building that back up. So we'll get on with that. Look at the state of this. What nearly took course of books. Full cavity filled. Come on, who's done that? It's absolutely shocking. Cut that corner over here. And then obviously bond the block work in there. There's nobody in the house, so I can't get any access in, so I'm just thinking drilling some sort of dog leg into them to tie that in, because obviously we're going to get the house up and work from outdoors, which isn't best. So that's the plan. So I think the brick match is terrible, to be honest. This is what's here on the right. I don't think they're the best, like. Might have to get the roof top of the tint in. Trying to get the camera down because the wind's too strong, it's blowing the camera out. So I was sat here, I'm doing this. I'll show you what I'm doing. Right, done full length here. Couldn't get the camera on much because, to be honest, it's absolutely windy as out. I didn't have it here on the thing, but I'm not happy with that brick match, to be honest, but that's what the insurance company sent. Pointing down there, inspect inside. That's it. Go on there. Tidy site, a happy site. Right, doing that.